Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to not share Instagram stories on Facebook PC. We start by opening Instagram in our browser. After that, click on More and then on Settings. Next, click on the sharing option. Here we can deactivate the Share Story on Facebook option. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.